on you. Intro. What are we doing?
Oring. Exhaust manifolds on 7.3 F350.
97.
97.
Gonna be stuck in there. You'll pull them out. We gotta pull the inner fenders out, right, and see if we can get some access to it.
Pull the outer and inner fenders off.
Hose everything down and heat it if we can. Either way, we'll get ripping into this and see what we can get done.
That made it a lot easier.
You want to go that route?
I'll hold it.
Pretty good.
Oh, that one ain't even touched. Bad boy up.
Like I said, I hope that jack's going.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. All right. You gotta make it look like you're doing something. Stop your rims.
There we go.
Yeah.
Baby.
That's what will happen.
No one's under there?
It's just, I'll be the one. Those are cute.
Oh, they're up top there. Next to smoke. I hope it doesn't just slide off.
Feet, Dylan.
Yeah, don't. Yeah, get away from it.
We'll keep this under here just for
Yeah, keep it and then tighten it. This is standard. Hey, this week we'll have 2 videos for this.
Might have to pound the socket in.
heat.
You want to do heat or you want to do grind?
A grinder's fine. I mean, I can get the same bolts if I have to. Yeah, we're cutting it. We're just rousing.
You're spraying the shit out of it.
That's what you do. Most cases.
I think it's a marketing scheme.
Got it.
I knew I shouldn't have started with the easiest one.
That's all you need for it.
How can you can't get that in there. It now.
Oh. I'm just gonna cut the truck in half in a minute.
Casting section for probably we have no fence.
Don't have a grinder nearby. I was a bipolar guy. Keep cutting.
Everything on there.
You have to open the door. Oh, there we go.
Should have knocked first.
There we go. So we can't ruin the badges.
Mount it on your wall.
One was too big, I think.
Where's that?
Damn.
still pretty.
Okay, check, Wes. All right.
Nope, you're spinning right on it.
Fuck. We're this far.
Oh, the up pipe is off.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
I've been smacking the ass pipe. No. So that's not the.
Don't go too deep.
While those guys desperately try to get anything opened up, we'll take the new manifolds out. Oh yeah, get this, rip that open. The old Rock Auto double box. Hell yeah. We're gonna look at these, just so you guys know what it looks like if they ever go on. All right, Dylan, here we go. Oh boy. Oh boy, shit. Oh yeah. Look at those beautifully cast. Yeah. Nice touch.
There you go, right? Yeah. Looks like mine is literally just like hand mid swing with a hammer and a lawn chair.
Alright, so everybody pretty much just left, but we did not end up getting either of the manifolds free. Cut the shit out of them, beat the shit out of them, but they still continue to be stuck on there, so sent it back. I mean, it literally runs. There's leaks all over the place, but it runs, so we sent it back with Wesley there, and we'll see if we want to continue with this. The other thing we kind of picked up on was the fact that the frame is definitely something's wrong there in the front left. So it seems like we got to kind of make a question here about what makes sense to do. But either way, guys, we'll see what we do with the Ford. See what's happening next to that sucker. But until the next one.